Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to be unboxing Kim Kardashian's new KKW Fragrance Body Perfume. I was like, I'm not going to buy this. I was telling myself, you do not need this. You already have 6 of her fragrances already. You probably have enough fragrance to last you, 6 years. I love the concept of the bottle. Yes. She's not the only person who has done a, bottle that is the shape of a body. We all know, Jean-Paul Gaultier is infamous for his, and I know a lot of people were like comparing the two, and I get it, I see it. They molded her body to make the bottle of this perfume. So the shape of this bottle is literally like a little miniature, sculpture of her body. No one can copy her body. You know what I mean? And so I'm so excited to smell this for the first time. I'm excited to see the packaging and feel it and touch it, not in a pervy way. The fragrance came in this box and it is just giving me, maybe Yeezy season 2 vibes. It's just so simplistic. I love this little arrow symbol on here. Just giving me so much power, so bold. Just like, Kanye and his Yeezy collection. It's just so simplistic. Wow, really groundbreaking. Okay, so I opened the box and there's all these little empty holes here. That's okay, I'm fine. Here is the box. I'm feeling it, it's very soft. So shall we take her out? Cool, okay. You guys, this clear bag that is just wrapped so loosely, so effortlessly around this package is giving me, Yeezy clear boot vibes, and I feel like it's just super worn, it's just clear, it feels really soft, and it's a really crinkled, crystal clear moment, and I am... Shall we take her out? I think we shall. Hallelujah! 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 Wow, okay. So the box is very soft. I love these little laces that probably came off of a pair of Yeezy boots. Loving this. Is probably from the same factory. I love this little button. This is like a literal... What are those? It's like a literal metal button you would have on jeans. I love it. Very cool. And it's very, I like this box a lot. Very sturdy. On the bottom, you can see here, it says KKW Fragrance, KKW Body. It lists the ingredients. It expires after 36 months of opening. So that's good to know, girl. So I have a little while to use this up. And then, so I guess, shall we unravel this beautiful, oh, already having some difficulties, okay. Okay. I have finally unraveled this after 100 years of trying to get to the middle. How many licks does it take till you get to the center of it? It is time for the reveal. I hope I don't mess this up because you only have a big reveal once, okay? So oh, it's magnet. I love a good magnet. Let us open this. Wow! Literally, I can now finally feel a 1/10 of 1% of what a rich person would feel like if they ever imported a giant sculpture into their effing mansion foyer. You know what I mean? Wow, like a big crate just unraveling, and look at this sandy. Girl, you're a little dry. Girl, you're a little dry here. So you got some body scrub on. That's okay. A little sandy, maybe just frolicked on the beach, you know what I mean? Just naked, frolicking, having a good old time, that's fine. Oh my god, I love this. I feel like I shouldn't stare too close, it's a little pervy. So here it is, the KKW Body. Let me give you a little 360 moment. She's catching some dust, it's okay. Is this good? Just catching some dust. Ooh, I hope this video doesn't get flagged because, you know, there is some nudity here. Nipples are hard. Maybe it's a little breezy on the beach. I don't know. Again, this is her body, and girl, you've been working hard. You've been working hard. Wow. Okay, so the lid on the perfume nozzle is cardboard. This is the middle of a toilet paper roll. Again, very easy, very simplistic. The feel of this cardboard toilet paper roll is just giving me really rustic vibes. Really like SOS, emergency. I've run out of toilet paper. Give me some more. Oh, wow. This is great. This is just lovely. This is just, I mean, they really went all out. This is expensive. I guarantee you, if they sold this on Yeezy's website, it would be a thumb ring, and they would charge $875 for it, US, plus shipping and customs. Oh. So, you guys, I gotta say, A+ for this bottle, for sure, because this is the only reason I bought it. You know, and I gotta say, KKW has been killing it with the packaging and the branding of her perfumes. I love every photo shoot that comes along with it. Before I spray and smell this perfume for the first time, let me just read you a little about this guy. Listen, let's get to meet her. So it is a narcotic? I don't wanna go to jail, girl. A narcotic elixir. I love that word, they use it quite a bit. That offers an opening of bright, energetic bergamot, embracing a burst of juicy peach nectar. Hector. In the heart, the rich lusciousness of jasmine sambac meets the fresh beauty of rose. Ylang ylang. Do you remember the Yin Yang twins and their song with Britney? Go to the club and get crunk with Britney. Oh, I miss the Ylang Ylang twins. From Moheli lens, texture and depth to the body that eventually dries to a rich and luxurious base of skin woods and musk that keeps the narcotic effect alive for hours on your skin. Okay, let's get sickening? I don't know. Let's give it a go. Okay, so here's the top. This is like a metal. There's the KKW stamp right there. You got it. You got it. If you didn't, you didn't. And we are just going to, with an ease of the wrist, a light twist, if you will. Does this part come off? This silver part? Oh, it does. Okay, so this silver part comes off. Okay, just pull it off. So, I'm really loving this. This is like a really classic, hard, shiny metal. Oh my gosh, okay. Do it on my neck here. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I smell the peach. I smell the nectar, Hector. Oh, this is very summery. Very feminine, very floral. I feel like I want to wear like a sarong. This is what I actually imagine Kim K to smell like after she's gotten off of the beach. She's gone back to her villa. This makes me kind of feel like J-Lo. I don't know, you know? This is just like a very summery feel. This isn't my favorite fragrance out of her group of fragrances. I definitely get the floral notes. It really does start off very peach. And now it's kind of slipping into a bit of like a darker scent. So guys, I definitely got that like burst of peach, and I love that. I wish that lasted a little bit longer. It was like I smelled the peach and then I was like, where did you go, peach? And now I'm getting kind of, I guess, into the jasmine mode of it. It's soaking in. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna spray a little more just on my wrist. A little flick of the wrist, a flick of the wrist. Yeah, instantly I get this beautiful, innocent peach. This plump, juicy peach. Really nice right off the bat. I think where I get a bit lost is when it kind of morphs into like this jasmine world, which Yeah, I'm starting to smell it morph into the jasmine now. So the fragrance is settled, and let me just also give you a disclaimer. One spritz is enough. Shortly after I spritzed my wrist, I set off my carbon monoxide detectors, okay? It's very strong. It is really rich. You do not need a lot. Just one really fine spritz and then walk through it and you're good. And you know what? I've kind of ended the journey on the floral note. It has dried. I don't really know how much longer I should wait, maybe a few more hours, but I haven't really gotten to like the woodsy part yet, the skin woods. What is skin wood? Is that like a porno? I don't even know. You know when you're walking outside and you're walking behind a girl and she has like really long hair and the wind blows and you can kind of smell her shampoo? That's kind of what this smells like. And it's not a good thing. It's not a bad thing either. It's just a thing. It's a bit rickety too, guys. So if you're gonna put this on like your vanity, I like moved a little bit and she was feeling a little rickety. So I just don't want this beautiful sculpture just to, you know, break and it'll be like crack, 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 and then just like explosion of perfume. This definitely smells a little bougie grandma, not in a bad way. I love grandmas. I just love grandmothers. They are the backbone of the world. And so I'm really happy that I got this because I think it's just gonna look kind of cute with the other bottles. I just want to collect the bottles. Is that weird? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing and this like sort of review. I guess like out of 10, if I had to, I would give it like a solid 6.5. I would give it a 9 out of 10 for the bottle. Only reason being it is super rickety. I get scared that it might break. And I just love that she like sculpted and molded her own body. That's so cool. Oh, I'm getting to the woods. I've entered the woods. I'm on my way to Grandma's house. I'm Little Red Riding Hood, and I assume that Grandma's gonna smell like this. Have you tried any of Kim K's fragrances? Do you like any of them? Do you not like any of them? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah! Say bye!